Do you know that if someone gets your Google account or your Gmail password, two-factor authentication is one of the security settings that add an extra step before they can get into your account. And this can give you valuable time to take back control of your account. That's what this video is about. Let me show you how to set up two-factor authenticator on your Google account. Open your browser and search for Google Login. Click the official Google link and sign into your Google account. Or open your Gmail account, click your profile picture, then click Manage your Google account. This will bring you to the same interface. Click Security and Sign In. Scroll down and click Two-Step Verification. Enter your Gmail password and click Next. Click Authenticator app, then click Set up Authenticator. Use another device to scan the QR code, or simply click Can't Scan It. Then copy this key, open the App Store or Play Store, and download Authentication app. Open the app. Click this arrow to select a secure Google account you want to use to sign into the Google Authentication app. If you don't have one, click Add Account. Or, in your case, you may see Create Account. If you don't know how to create Gmail account, please click the video above and then come back. After that, open the app. Click the plus icon. Name your account. Paste the key we just copied here. Click the drop down and select time base so the code can change. Click Add. If you make a mistake, swipe right and delete it. Then you follow the steps again. Go back to Gmail and click Next. Go to the Authentication app and copy the code. Then paste the code here. Click Verify. Click this notification and click Yes, it's me. Click Done. And you will see how Google is notifying me. That's all the notification you will get if someone tries to check into your account. Click Done. And that's it. Your Google account now has an extra layer of protection. For more Google and Gmail tips, check out my Gmail playlist, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.